watching SGT Times with me, Kumkum Sharma. Let's have a look at the top stories. India wins 5th Asian Champions Trophy hockey title. SGT University hosted intellectual property workshop. SGT University holds NCC Selection Drive. Dengue Cases Rise, city records 42. Now the news is in detail. India clinched their 5th Asian Champions Trophy hockey title after a hard-fought 1-0 victory over China, with Jugraj Singh netting the decisive goal. Let's have a look at the details.
In a thrilling final, India secured their 5th Asian Championships trophy hockey title with a 1-0 win against China. The match remained tightly contested until Jugraj Singh scored the crucial goal in the 51st minute, finally breaching China's strong defense backed by impressive goalkeeping from Viao Wang. India's perseverance and tactical play ensured their victory, marking a significant moment in the tournament. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
SGT University's Faculty of Design, in collaboration with the Research and Development Office and the Institution Innovation Council, conducted a workshop on the registration procedures for intellectual property rights in India. Let's take a closer look at the details.
SGT University's Faculty of Design, in association with the Research and Development Office and the Institution Innovation Council, organized a special workshop on September 18, 2024. The event focused on registration procedures of intellectual property rights in India. Expert speakers Mr. Rajesh Kumar Meena, Examiner of Patents and Designs, and Mr. Javeer, Assistant Controller from the Intellectual Property Office under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, provided valuable insights into the processes involved. The workshop aimed to enhance awareness under the National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission (NIPAM) and offered participants a certificate upon completion. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. SGT University recently organized an NCC Selection Drive, providing students the opportunity to join the National Cadet Corps and develop leadership and defense skills. Let's take a look at the details.
SGT University hosted an NCC Selection Drive, inviting students to showcase their physical and mental prowess in a competitive environment. The event aimed at recruiting new cadets for the National Cadet Corps, encouraging students to cultivate discipline, patriotism, and leadership qualities. The rigorous selection process tested students' fitness and commitment, with successful candidates set to embark on an exciting journey of personal development and national service. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
The number of dengue cases in the city has been steadily rising, with 18 new cases reported in the first 17 days of this month, bringing the total count for the year to 42. Let's take a look at the details.
Dengue cases in the city have seen a significant increase, with 18 new cases reported so far this month. On Tuesday, 3 new cases were confirmed, pushing the total number of cases this year to 42. According to the city's health department, 4 patients with active dengue infection are currently receiving treatment at hospitals and are reportedly recovering well. Authorities are urging citizens to take preventive measures to combat the spread of the disease. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
That's all for today in SGT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.